13.1 surface areas and volumes. First question, children, there is a cube. Okay, there is a cube like this, whose volume is 64 c. Like this, two cubes are kept side by side. Okay, what is it? When two cubes are kept side by side, children, it will become what? A cuboid. Automatically, it will become what, children? It will become cuboid. Okay, so what is the TSA of cuboid? Okay, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So, what is the volume of cube, children? L cube. L cube is equal to 64. L cube is equal to 64 means 4 cube. Cube cancel. Edge is 4 centimeters. Okay, when you keep anything side by side, when you keep anything side by side, children, what happens? This is 4, this is 4. Length becomes 8, breadth becomes 4, height will remain as 4 only. When you keep side by side, only length will change. When you keep one back each other, then length will be 4, breadth will change into 8. When you keep one above each other, then height will change 8, length and breadth remain same. But now in the question, they are kept side by side. As they are kept side by side, this is 8, this is 4, this is front and back is breadth will change. One upon each other, height will change. Side by side, length will change. So length is 8 centimeters, breadth is 4 centimeters, height is 4. Now substitute in this formula, children. 2 into LB. 8 fours are 32 plus 4 fours are 60 plus 8 fours are 32. Okay. 2 into 32 plus 32 is 64. 64 plus 60 is 80. 1 into 2 into 8 is 160 centimeters square is PSA of cuboid. Some people are not writing statements. Please write. Compulsory, you should write the statements. And units also, it should be correct. This is the answer. Keep copying along with me. Don't waste time. Okay, children? When you keep side by side, length will change. Breadth and height remain same. When you keep one back each other, only breadth will change. When you keep one above each other, only height will change. Side by side, only length is changing. Breadth and height remain same. This is first question. Second question. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere. Okay, surmounted by a cylinder. The diameter of hemisphere is 14. The diameter of the hemisphere, this is their measure. Its total is 14. This is 7, and this is also 7. Of course, this is also 7. Again, I'm saying this is 7. This is 7. This is 7. Okay, 7 centimeters. And total height of the vessel is 13 centimeters. Total height of the vessel is 13. In this is gone 7 means this will be 6 centimeters. Compulsory, children, in all the figures, you have to mention all the measurements. If not waste, if you draw figure also, it is of no use. So he's asking PSA of vessel. In this vessel, two things are there. One is hemisphere, other one is cylinder. So PSA of hemisphere plus PSA of cylinder. This CSA plus this CSA is called TSA of the vessel. Again, I'm saying this is CSA plus this CSA. Okay, this is CSA and this is also CSA will become TSA of the vessel. CSA of hemisphere, how much, children? 2 pi r square, and CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 pi r if you take common, r plus h. Keep copying, don't waste time. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is on 7. 7 plus height of the cylinder only you should take. Height of the cylinder is how much? 6. Okay, 7 gone. 44 into 13. 13 4 is 42. 13 4 is 40. 13 4 is 52. 13 4 is 52. 57. 572 centimeter square. 572 centimeter square is TSA of vessel. Compulsory should have TSA of vessel. Block it. Units are very important. Answer. Compulsory in the figure, you should show all the measurements. And what is the formula? Substitution. Everything should be there. And always try to take common. Because if you solve this, and then add, it will become very big. That's why take common things. What to take common, you will understand with practice. This is second sum. I hope everyone are copying along with me. Don't waste time. This is second sum. Coming to third sum. Third sum. Try to understand third sum also. Third sum. Third sum. Here, it is in the form of cone of radius. A cone is there mounted on a hemisphere. Okay. Cone of radius is saying 3.5. 3.5. If this is 3.5, this is 3.5. Of course, this also will be 3.5. Okay. And height of the cone is, they have given total height of the toy is 15.5. If this is 15.5, 3.5 if you remove, the height of the cone will become 12. Height of the cone will become 12. Height. Then you should find out slant height because compulsory you have to find out. So slant height is equal to L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to 3.5 whole square plus 12 square. L square is equal to 12.25 plus 144. Hope everyone are listening. L square is equal to 156.25. L square is equal to 12.5 whole square. Square 1. Slant height is 12.5 centimeters. Slant height is 12.5 centimeters. Now, TSA of TSA of toy. This toy consists of one hemisphere and one core. So CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of core. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. CSA of cone is pi r L. CSA of cone. CSA means this, which we can touch here. Okay, if this is also there, that will become TSA. CSA. Okay. So pi r is common in both of them. Pi r is common. So 2r plus L. Okay. 22 by 7 into 3.5. 2 into 2r. 3.5 plus slant it. How much we got here? 12.5. That 12.5 I'm putting here. Please concentrate all of it. 2s are 11s are. So 11 into this is how much? 7 plus 12.5. Okay. I hope you copied this and open this. So what is there here? 11 into 7 plus 12.5 is 19.5. 11 5 is 55, 99, 104, 11 1 11, 21. 214.5 centimeters square is TSA of toy. TSA of toy is TSA of toy. Compulsory, you should write a good statement. Compulsory, every mensuration surface areas and volume sum, you should have figure. In figure measurements, what formula you are substituting, what are the formulas, what are the formulas, and how you are substituting, how you are doing everything, and good statement should be there. Units don't forget, centimeters square. You should know the prime difference between TSA and CSA. Okay. Next. Next one. Children, fourth and fifth, I will say at the last because it needs a lot of explanation. I will say at the last. Let me go to sixth sum. Fourth and fifth are same sum. I'll say at the last. Sixth sum. Okay. A medicine capsule is there like this. A medicine capsule is there like this. Okay. They have given measurements also. You can see in the figure 14 mm is given and 5 mm is given. What is the total TSA of the capsule medicine? Okay. I will divide this. So children, here you can see TSA of capsule. If you find out TSA of capsule, if you find out, here there is hemisphere, here there is a cylinder, here there is hemisphere. Hemisphere plus hemisphere is sphere. So CSA of sphere plus CSA of cylinder. Hemisphere plus hemisphere is sphere. Hemisphere plus hemisphere is sphere. And for sphere, CSA and TSA are same. So CSA of sphere is how much? 4 pi r square, and CSA of cylinder 2 pi rh. 2 pi r I am taking common. 2r plus h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So r, how much I can take? This total is 5 means 5 by 2 I can take. This is also 5 by 2. Okay, this is also 5 by 2. Try to understand. 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is 5. From 14 if you remove 5, this will become 9. 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is 5. 14 if you remove 5, this is 9. So r is 5 by 2. R is 5 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2 plus height, how much we got? 9. 2 2 gone. 2 2 gone. So what is that? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 5 into 14. 7 to the 14, 5 to the 10, 220. 220 centimeters square is TSA of capsule. TSA of capsule. Like this, you should do. You should not do this one once, this time once, and both add. That is very difficult. So you have to compulsory take common, and if you do like this, it will become easy. Almost in most of the sums, everything they will give in such a way that everything will be cancelled very, very easy. Okay, children, 220 centimeters square
Sir,
is
14 ఎలా వచ్చింది sir?
9 plus 5 is 14, then 9 plus 5 is 14. 9, 2 to cancel,
Okay.
2 to cancel, 9 plus 5 is 14, 7 2s are 14. So that it will be easily cancelled.
5/2 ఎలా డివైడ్ అది ఎలా వస్తుందో చెప్తారా?
No, total is 5 kadamma. This is 5 kadamma. 5 mm they gave me. This, so that, see here, they give this total is 5. So this is 5/2, this is 5/2, this is also 5/2. Those who didn't understand, again I'm showing. This is 5. Okay, so radius will be 5/2. This is also radius, and this is also radius. Like that. Very good. You should ask me doubt whenever you have children. Don't keep in your mind like that, and just keep doing the sums. Don't mug up the sums. Okay. Sixth sum is over, children. Next, seventh sum, children. Slowly, I will tell children. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Why, sir? If you don't understand the concept, it will remain as it is. Like that, only the doubt will remain. There is a tent in the shape of cylinder. Okay, surmounted by a conical top. Conical top. This is a tent. Okay, and the height and diameter of the conical parts are height and diameter. If the height and diameter of cylindrical parts are, this is height is 12, 2.1, and diameter is 4, and slant height of the top is 2.8. This is 2.8 meters. This is meters. This is meters. Okay. Find the cost of canvas required to make the tent at the rate of 500 rupees per meter square. Try to understand. This is only tent, which is a cylinder is there, and top is in the form of tent. No one will put down, children. Down tent, no one will put. This is not tent. Remember, this is not tent. They will put here carpet. No one will put tent down. Okay, so this you should not take. This, don't close it. Some people have a habit of closing it. So just TSA of tent consists of one cylinder, one cone. Cylinder means CSA of cylinder, CSA of cylinder, plus CSA of tent. Cone, CSA of cone. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. CSA of cone is pi RL. If I take pi R common, 2H plus L. Okay, so 22/7. Radius is how much? 2. 2 is the radius. 2 into H is how much? 2.1. Slant height is 2.8. They only give. Okay, so 22/7 into 2. 2 into 2.1, how much? 4.2. 4.2 plus 2.8 is how much? 7. So listen carefully here. I do 22/7 into 2 into this plus this one, 7. 7 cancel. So TSA of canvas, only tent canvas, is 44 centimeters square. Okay, and 1 meter square is 500 rupees. 1 meter square is 500 rupees. So 44 meters square into 500, if you do, 2,200 rupees is cost of making canvas for tent. This is TSA of tent. Okay, this much. Okay, don't put down, children. Down, everyone will put carpet. In the tent, no one will put tent. Tent is very thin cloth. No one will put here tent. Down, what they put is carpet. This total is 4, no, children. So this I took radius 2, this I took radius. Here also 2, 2. Okay, like this you should do, children. You should think in the tent house, in the tent also, down they will put carpet, because everyone will be coming and standing on it. No one will put tent. Tent is very thin cloth. If everyone stamps on it, it will tear. Okay, children, next sum. Next sum of 10. Okay. 8th sum. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. This is 2.4 centimeter. And diameter 1.4 centimeter. Diameter 1.4 centimeter. 1.4 centimeter. A conical cavity is of same height and same diameter hollowed out. A conical cavity is hollowed out. Means here a conical cavity is hollowed out like this. Question is, what is the TSA of remaining solid? It's not volume, children. It's not volume. He's asking TSA. TSA of remaining solid consists of, please see here, this. What is this cylinder? This base is closed only, this base is closed. Base of cylinder plus this we hollowed it. This is cone. So what is this? CSA of cylinder plus base of cylinder plus CSA of, okay children, are you able to understand? Please see here children, all of you. Who is that? Yeah, please see here. Please see here. CSA of cylinder children. CSA of cylinder. And please see here children, all of you, don't waste your time. Base of cylinder CSA of CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Base of cylinder is circle, so pi r square. The CSA of cone is pi r l. CSA of cone is pi r l. Okay. So 2 pi r you take common children. 2 pi r you should not take common. Pi r only you should take common. Pi r if you take common, h plus 2h plus r plus l. Okay. So 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 1.4 half means 0.7, 0.7. 0.72 into height how much children? 2.4 plus radius 0.7 slant height. Slant height L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to R square how much? 0.7 square plus 2.4 whole square. L square is equal to 0.49 plus 5.76. L square is equal to 6.25. L square is equal to 2.5 whole square. Square cancel. This is 2.5. Actually 0.1